In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Steam Error 108 quickly and safely so you can get back to gaming without frustration. This error usually shows up when Steam can't connect to its servers, and while it looks serious, the fix is actually pretty simple. I'll walk you through each step so you can follow along easily, and if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to completely close Steam. Even if it looks closed, it might still be running in the background. Go ahead and press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time to open Task Manager. Once you're in Task Manager, look through the list of running processes and find anything named Steam or Steam.exe. When you see it, click on it and then hit End Task. Make sure you close every Steam-related process so nothing is left running. Next, we're going to reset your network configuration, which is often the main cause of Error 108. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type CMD and press Enter. This will open the command prompt window. Now inside command prompt, you'll need to type a couple of commands. First, type ipconfig /flush DNS and press Enter. This clears your DNS cache, which can fix connection issues. After that, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter again. This command resets your network settings and can resolve deeper connectivity problems that Steam might be running into. Once both commands have completed successfully, the next step is very important. You need to restart your computer. This allows all the changes you just made to fully take effect. Don't skip this step because the fix may not work without it. After your computer restarts, go ahead and open Steam again like you normally would. In most cases, the error should now be gone and Steam should connect without any issues. If it works, you're all set and ready to jump back into your games. So just to quickly recap, you closed Steam completely, cleared your DNS cache, reset your network settings, and restarted your computer. These steps solve Steam Error 108 for most users. If this video helped you fix the problem, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.